Smuggler arrested with CPUs strapped to his body, not plural. His many
multiple.
bodies. Yeah. Customs officials.
Yeah.
Why would, okay, so the big question that anybody seeing this would have is, why would you need to smuggle CPUs? What are you, oh, you're trying to get around customs. Oh, I see. Okay. That's pretty straightforward. You don't want to pay the duties and tariffs and taxes.
Yeah. Also, the chip shortage.
Oh, okay.
Smuggling to China to Hong Kong. And apparently this guy got booked because apparently, you can smuggle these chips and get massive profits.
Right. Or sell them for more on the other side of the border than what you could on your side of the border. Last week, customs officials working at the Hong Kong Shuhai Macau Bridge stopped a truck driver who they thought was looking nervous. Well, that's not a good thing. If you're about to tape all this stuff to your body, you best put those nerves away. With good reason. After searching him, they found the dude was literally strapped with CPUs. 256 Intel CPUs, a mix of i7 10700 and i9 10900Ks. He's got the nice stuff on him too.
Yeah.
Strapped to his torso and legs. On closer inspection, he had 52 CPUs hidden in a compartment between the seats. Wow.
Well, another truck.
Oh, somebody else. Yeah. Okay, so they've been doing it.
Yeah, there's some other stories of people trying to smuggle electronics into other countries. But yeah, pretty, I mean, I guess it's lucrative enough for people to do it.
Yeah, dude. What would the value be of this, Will? Of all those CPUs? You got...
All these CPUs strapped
What
to
was the
his
number?
thigh.
What was the number? Let's just do a rough one on that. 256, and it was a mix of i7 10700. So just give us the current price of an i7 10. Okay, yeah, do the better one. Sure, let's get a higher price. Do the 10900K. We gotta do some quick math over here. We'll see how quick. That one. This one's expensive for sure. Yeah, that's $700. Okay, so just do 700 times 256. He did 730. He picked the Canadian price over there. Anyway, it's fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Woo! Almost 200 G. Yeah.
So that's why he's nervous.
Yeah, 200 grand worth of CPUs strapped to your thighs. You're a little nervous there. I wonder what the punishment and penalty is. You think you'll see this guy again or what?
Death.
No, come on. This is a couple of CPUs between pals.
Yeah.
Give him another chance.
Yeah.